People here after the game. Is it an unfortunate result, or are you happy about this 2-2 draw? First and foremost.
Unfortunate result. I thought we gave up 2 soft goals. Haiti is a good counter-attacking team, very fast and physical, and we were not unmarked early in the game, so we gave up 2 easy goals. But as a team, I think we're a better team overall. We never played exceptionally well, but as a team, we would have been the better team. And it's good that we got back 2 goals, because losing this game would be a travesty.
Obviously, a lot of people don't like to point fingers, but God gave me 10 to point. I'm one who likes to point fingers, right? Yeah. Who are you saying is most complicit for the first 2 goals that we conceded? Are you blaming any particular person?
No. No, I don't like to blame people in football, because everybody's trying them 100%. Yeah. You understand me? But I thought Damian turned over the ball for the second goal. And in the first goal, I think he could have been more positive, because he would have been the last man at that point in time. I think he went soft, and the guy got the better of it, and one-on-one on the goal.
And what were your thoughts after the first 45 minutes? How were you feeling? Because I know for sure I was dejected, and I had given up at that point.
No. I never give up on Jamaica. So the fact is that I thought we were always back in the game. 45, the game is 2 halves, and just before the end of the first half, we got an easy goal. Nicholson should have scored that and would have gone in 2-1. But 45 minutes to go, I think we would have been a better team. I think they would have gotten leg weary, but they couldn't keep that running. And once we got a goal, we would have been back in the game.
All right, finally, because I know he seemed to be a busy man of places to go. Yeah. Talk to us about the man at the moment. Talk to us about Jamaica Gray.
Exceptional player, man. I think he came and fitted in well. He's a touch player, a lot of vision. He needs people to bounce it with. So I think we have to do some work in the midfield to make sure that we have the type of player that can move the ball with him. Yeah. But as a player, very comfortable on the football, good finisher, very intelligent.
Is Demar Gray the man?
Yes.
Yeah, I think right now Demar Gray is certainly not attacking. He's attacking third. I think Pinnock is an excellent player in centre half. So, we just want to work out the midfield.
All right, well, we'll see you guys again in 2 away games in October. But
October. We are here, man. That's it.
All right.
All right.